Hello guys, this is Paulina and here is my new makeup look using the collaboration of BUXOM Cosmetics and Ash K Holm, the celebrity makeup artist. And let me tell you that this palette is something amazing. The eyeshadows are very pigmented, they blend really well and you will see it in my video. I started off with my base, which I did off camera, and then I go to my eyebrows using Ka-Brow in number 6 by Benefit Cosmetics, and right now I'm cleaning the brows to make them more sharp. For this I'm using Benefit Cosmetics concealer in number 3, and right now I'm gonna be setting my eyebrows with Benefit Cosmetics clear brow gel. To finish my face, I'm going to be using the Earth Angel palette by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using the bronzing shade Hula, which is my staple in the kit, and I use it almost all the time on my clients. I'm just going on the areas where I want my face to be more sculpted. For the blush, I'm going to be using this beautiful rosy shade in Honeymoon from the same palette. And one of my favorite highlighters, the cookie one. If you guys want your highlighter to be visible from far away, you just need it. I'm also applying it onto my eyes to highlight the brow bone and also my inner corners. And getting to the eye makeup, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Zero Eye Pencil. This one is just so gorgeous. It blends so well, it's so pigmented, and it stays really well throughout the day. I'm using it as the base for my smoked eyeliner, and this is the trick I use a lot of times. So you just take the clean angle brush, the sharp one, you just draw out the product that you already applied, and since this brush is clean, it makes your line really sharp and precise. And now I'm taking another small brush, clean one, and I just smudge the eye pencil that I've already applied. Taking the same pencil, I'm going into my waterline and also a little bit lower to smudge it a little later. Taking the same brush I used to smudge the eye pencil on my upper lid, I smudge it on my lower one as well. And here is this beautiful palette, the collaboration between BUXOM Cosmetics and Ash K Holm. This palette has some neutral shades as well as some bold ones like purple and some shimmery shades. As for me, I was blown away by this beautiful black eyeshadow that I'm applying right now. Can you see how pigmented it is? And also, I smudged it, I applied it, and I had no fall offs whatsoever. And I'm so happy because I have sometimes hard times to apply it on my clients when I need to do a smoked eyeliner or I darken the eyeshadow look, and it's just a nightmare. Some shadows are falling off like crazy, some are not so pigmented, but this one is like all in one. So if you guys are in search for a good black matte eyeshadow, this is definitely what you are looking for. So here I'm just smudging the edge of the black eyeshadow that I've already applied to make the purple eyeshadow application, which will follow, more smooth. Cleaning up the shape of my eyeliner with what's left from the concealer on this brush. Carefully applying the black eyeshadow on top of the eye pencil I applied previously. And now for the purple eyeshadow, I'm gonna be applying it on top of the black eyeshadow that I've applied on my upper lid, and I will be kind of smoking out the eyeliner even more with this shade. And of course, this process takes lots of patience and time, but you will get there. And now I'm going over with the clean pencil brush to smoke it out even more. For the lower lash line, I decided to go with this neutral shade. Applying black eye pencil one more time into my waterline to make it more even and more black. For the eyelid, I'm gonna be using this shimmery purple shade. I found it you will get more payoff if you apply it with your finger. And then I'm just using the brush to get into the areas where my finger will not fit, as well as blend the edges. I wanted to leave my crease bare, but then I decided to add this beautiful neutral shade in Iconic, which is more satin, so it's not matte. It will give me just a little bit of a shade in my crease. Love, love, love this mascara. Now for the lashes, I'm using the ones by Eylure, and they are, as far as I remember, they are called Indulgence, but I will list this all down below. Don't forget your lower lashes. And another tip of mine, I am just going with the black eyeshadow on top of the lash band to cover the glue, because yes, it will dry clear, but still you will be able to see the gloss from the lash glue, and you don't want to see the lash band at all, so I just make it more invisible. And here's the finished eye look. For the lips, I'm going to be using the BUXOM Cosmetics lip liner in Hush Hush. And I still have Minnie Mouse vibes from visiting Disney World in Orlando for 3 days, so my hair looks like small ears. And for the lipstick, I mixed the 2 shades from Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and you will give me thumbs up and subscribe if you still haven't. Have a good one.